Precision joinery is the quiet force that transforms reclaimed wood from rough salvage into refined, high-margin modern furniture and crafts. And it begins not with the tools themselves, but with the decision to see weathered planks as latent luxury rather than leftover debris. Reclaimed wood often arrives scarred by nails, darkened by time, and warped by years of exposure, carrying with it a history that many overlook in favor of pristine lumberyard boards. Yet those very imperfections hold character, and when guided through a disciplined milling and joinery process, they become the foundation for seamless contemporary pieces that command premium value. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Bridging the gap between salvage and luxury requires an uncompromising commitment to precision because modern design tolerates no visual chaos. Clean lines, sharp transitions, and balanced proportions demand that every reclaimed board be milled, squared, and aligned with intention, allowing the raw narrative of the wood to exist within a controlled architectural framework. The transformation begins with methodical preparation. Weathered planks must be carefully denailed, inspected for hidden metal, and stabilized before any milling occurs. Once cleared, they are jointed and planed to reveal fresh surfaces beneath aged exteriors. This stage is more than mechanical refinement. It is an unveiling. The gray patina gives way to warm grain, dramatic knots, and subtle tonal variations that speak to the wood's past life. By flattening one face and squaring one edge at a time, we reintroduce geometric order to material that has long existed in irregular form. Precision here is non-negotiable because the success of hidden joinery and flush edges depends entirely on accurately milled stock. Modern furniture thrives on tight tolerances, and reclaimed timber must be brought into alignment without erasing its soul. Once milled into consistent dimensions, the wood becomes ready for the subtle artistry of hidden dowel joinery. In contemporary decor, visible fasteners often disrupt the purity of design, so strength must exist invisibly beneath seamless surfaces. Dowel joinery, when executed with exact spacing and depth control, creates strong internal connections that allow external lines to remain uninterrupted. Carefully drilled mating holes, aligned through precise measurement or doweling jigs, ensure that boards lock together squarely without gaps. Adhesive bonds combined with hardwood dowels form joints capable of withstanding daily use while preserving minimalist aesthetics. This concealed reinforcement is what enables reclaimed planks to evolve into sleek consoles, floating shelves, or sculptural side tables that appear almost monolithic in form. The viewer sees only clean intersections, unaware of the structural choreography hidden within. Flush mitered edges further define the signature of modern craftsmanship. A mitered joint, cut at complementary angles so two boards meet at a sharp corner, creates the illusion of continuous grain wrapping around an edge. When executed precisely, it eliminates visible end grain and produces a refined silhouette associated with high-end contemporary furniture. Achieving flawless miters with reclaimed wood requires patience and calibration, because even slight warping can introduce misalignment. Fine-tuning saw angles, dry-fitting pieces repeatedly, and making micro-adjustments ensure that seams close tightly without visible daylight. When glued and clamped correctly, the joint becomes nearly invisible, reinforcing the sense of intentional design. This technique transforms rough construction waste into forms that echo gallery-quality furniture, where edges feel sculpted rather than assembled. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. The marriage of hidden dowels and flush miters represents more than technical skill. It is a philosophical bridge between past and present. Reclaimed timber carries texture and history, while modern decor demands crisp geometry and restraint. Precision joinery harmonizes these contrasts. The natural grain flows uninterrupted across corners, while internal reinforcements remain unseen, allowing organic material to exist within architectural clarity. The resulting pieces feel both grounded and elevated, rustic yet undeniably contemporary. This duality resonates strongly in today's design market, where consumers seek authenticity paired with sophistication. Surface treatment plays an equally important role in elevating reclaimed wood to high-margin inventory. After joinery is complete, sanding refines tactile quality without stripping away subtle character marks that add depth. Strategic filling of cracks with tinted resin or carefully selected wood filler stabilizes imperfections while preserving visual interest. Finishes are chosen to enhance grain rather than obscure it. Matte hard wax oils or low-sheen polyurethane protect the surface while maintaining a natural look. The goal is not to disguise the wood's origin, but to frame it within a polished narrative. When the final coat cures, the transformation is undeniable. What began as rough planks once destined for disposal now stands as cohesive, modern furniture ready for discerning buyers. The profitability of such pieces lies in perception as much as construction. High-margin modern furniture commands premium pricing not solely because of materials, but because of craftsmanship and design integrity. Reclaimed wood often costs significantly less than new hardwood, yet when processed with precision joinery and minimalist aesthetics, its value multiplies. Buyers are drawn to the story of sustainability and the uniqueness of each grain pattern, but they ultimately invest because the piece looks refined and professionally built. Seamless corners, invisible joints, and balanced proportions communicate expertise. In this way, precision craftsmanship becomes the catalyst that converts low-cost salvage into lucrative inventory. Moreover, the discipline required to execute such joinery builds efficiency over time. As techniques are refined, milling becomes faster and more accurate, dowel alignment more intuitive, and miters more consistently flawless. This efficiency increases production capacity without sacrificing quality, further improving profit margins. Each completed project reinforces a system where reclaimed material is not a compromise but an advantage. Variations in color and grain become selling points rather than obstacles, distinguishing handcrafted pieces from mass-produced alternatives. In a market increasingly conscious of sustainability, the narrative surrounding reclaimed wood adds intangible value. Customers appreciate knowing that construction waste has been diverted from landfills and transformed into functional art. When that sustainability is paired with unmistakable modern styling, the appeal broadens. The furniture fits seamlessly into contemporary homes while carrying an ethical story that resonates with mindful consumers. Precision joinery ensures that this story is supported by structural integrity, eliminating doubts about durability. Ultimately, the secrets of precision joinery reveal that luxury is less about expensive inputs and more about disciplined execution. Milling weathered planks into square, consistent stock establishes the foundation. Hidden dowel joinery provides strength without visual clutter. Flush mitered edges create seamless transitions that embody modern design. Thoughtful finishing highlights natural beauty while protecting longevity. Together, these processes elevate reclaimed timber from discarded resource to desirable product. The transformation demonstrates that craftsmanship is the true multiplier of value, capable of converting raw construction waste into refined, high-margin modern furniture and crafts. In bridging salvage and sophistication, we prove that precision is not merely a technical skill, but a pathway to profit, sustainability, and enduring design excellence. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.